Common misperceptions in cleaning of aluminium extrusion dies. Dry sandblasting is more effective at cleaning than wet sandblasting. It is wrong. Dry sandblasting is a traditional physical cleaning technique. Long-term usage can lead to situations and outcomes that may not accurately represent the actual state of affairs. Efficient cleaning processes should preserve the integrity of the original surface without compromising its layers. Dry sandblasting is a cleaning technique that produces harder outcomes for applications that demand precision, such as mold cleaning. Wet sandblasting utilizes the balancing effect of water to precisely target areas requiring cleaning on the mold, effectively maintaining the integrity of the original surface. Wet sandblasting mitigates the risk of damage that can arise when the operator maintains the gun on a single surface for an extended period, unlike dry sandblasting. Explore our dry and wet sandblasting systems made for perfect cleaning of extrusion dies and molds. Get in touch to find further details.